Your credit score controls more of your financial life than you probably realize, and most people only understand its importance after they've already made expensive mistakes. The single number influences whether you get approved for credit cards, qualify for loans, secure better interest rates, rent an apartment easily, or even reduce long-term financial stress. A strong credit profile doesn't come from earning more money. It comes from understanding how the system works and using it strategically. Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850, and lenders use this number to measure how reliable you are with borrowed money. The higher the score, the more trust you earn, and trust directly translates into financial advantages. Now, one of the most powerful factors affecting your score is payment history, which makes up the largest portion of the calculation. Missing even one payment signals risk and can lower your score quickly, which is why consistency matters more than perfection. Setting automatic payments ensures bills are never forgotten and protects your financial reputation without daily effort. Another critical factor is credit utilization, which refers to how much of your available credit you use. If you constantly max out your credit cards, lenders assume you depend on debt. Financially smart individuals keep their usage below 30% of their limit, and many aim for under 10% to demonstrate strong control over spending. This simple adjustment alone can significantly improve a credit score over time. Credit history length also plays an important role, yet many people unknowingly damage their score by closing older accounts. Older accounts show stability and experience managing credit responsibly, so keeping long-standing accounts open helps build trust with lenders, even if those cards are rarely used. Credit mix matters as well because managing different types of credit responsibly shows financial maturity. A combination of revolving credit and installment payments signals balanced financial behavior, but opening too many accounts too quickly creates multiple hard inquiries that temporarily lower your score. Slow, intentional decisions always outperform impulsive financial actions. Another overlooked habit is monitoring your credit report regularly. Errors, outdated balances, or incorrect information can appear on reports, and fixing them can immediately improve your standing. Understanding your credit profile allows you to take control instead of reacting to problems later. Building excellent credit is not about spending more. It is about managing existing credit wisely. Two people can earn identical salaries, yet experience completely different financial outcomes simply because one understands credit strategy while the other ignores it. The person with stronger credit gains access to lower interest rates, better borrowing opportunities, and long-term savings that quietly compound year after year. Over decades, these advantages can equal thousands of dollars saved without increasing income. Improving credit requires patience, discipline, and awareness of daily financial habits. Pay bills on time, keep balances low, avoid unnecessary applications, and allow time to strengthen your profile naturally. Your credit score acts as a financial reputation that follows you everywhere, opening doors when managed correctly and creating obstacles when ignored. The good news is that every positive financial decision gradually improves your position. Small, consistent habits today create powerful financial freedom tomorrow. Subscribe to USA Financial Guide for clear money strategies, smarter financial habits, and practical tips designed to help you build wealth step by step and take full control of your financial future.